G'day folks, this video is about a blank file I used to create programs for the Hercus CNC lathe. It brings the first tool to the material position before the spindle starts, and it includes inactive subroutine codes to activate once the program is written. So let's have a look. I use this file myself all the time, so I thought I'd do this video and make the file available to others to save them a bit of time. Now at this point I've got parameters in there that you will need to change, obviously, to suit the part that you're making. Right, once you've put in your parameters, you go through to the normal editing screen, and if you hit step over on the right hand side under machine, you can step through the program one line at a time. You know that you can move on and hit enter once that little paused in green sign is up on the right hand top of the display. Here I've got an explanation of the lines as we go through them. The N15 line is inactive because there's a bracket at the front of it. If you remove that bracket along with two other lines later in the program will become a subroutine. If you don't have a tool changer, the software tells you to change tools on screen. Line N30 is the G50, which is the tool 0 position preset. N31 rapids the tool into position to act as a material stop. You will need to change the diameter, so your X will need to change on that line to suit your part. This program halt is there to let you pull the material out to the position that the tool has arrived at. N33, we wrap it away from the material so we can start the spindle. You will need to change X again. Now the spindle starts, and with any luck there should be no loud noises. Right, line N50 is just calling up a feed rate. That feed rate will apply until such time as you put in another feed rate. Between N50 and N70, which is stop the spindle, there's a gap. That's where you write all your code that you want the program to consist of. Once you're done with writing your program, if you remove the brackets on N71, N72 and go back to up to N15, you'll have a subroutine which will run 50 times. That's about it. Thank you for watching.